Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fans of Gaming. This is March 2025 Patreon Part 7. We're not going to be looking at Patreon, we'll be looking at My Mini Factory for today. All links for this will be down. We look at D&D, Warhammer proxies and figures. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord, and let's get started. So, basically, I like My Mini Factory, which is subscription based. I use them a lot. A lot of the Patreon ones that use your STL, buy your STL files will be transferred to My Mini Factory. You know, a lot of big stuff. So we got Mags Geik. That is basically Warhammer proxy. You see Durgal and Orcs. I do them monthly. They do a lot of Orcs, but and this month we got the first release. We got a little bit of Nurgle for it. You know, little Nurglings there, and I think we'll get more of the stuff as well. I think this month is nothing but Nurgle for March. I think you may get some Orcs. Don't know. Not everything has been released for Mags Geik as well. Primal Collectible is another good one. If you do D&D, they do a lot of D&D figures just within $10 for it. I believe this is the March bundle that comes with it. Barbarian is part of the Sand collection in many ways, but you can see the how detailed the sculpt are as well, especially if it's smaller, and the more detail a lot better, especially when it dry brushes stuff for smaller items. And they do come out with other things as well, and extras in many varied ways if you do enjoy that. UNGN, this is Blood Bowl. So we have Easter Blood Bowl. I think that's coming out for April, I believe. Yeah. So East March release. April. So yeah, Bunny Blood Bowl. If you're interested in that. Not really a big fan of Easter. We have another one, Cyber Stash, for $1. This is like cyberpunk style type of thing for it. A girl with a sniper rifle looks like it, or a long range rifle. And then you go and for all this for $1, you get multiple of them, and you have a this one two-tipped variant with a assault rifle looks like it, and your little badge. Goatia miniature Death Cadal. We have looks like chaos style proxy if you're interested in it, especially with this one, and it looks pretty cool. It's gonna be your chaos cultist right here as well. That's not bad actually. Mad Minis, another one of proxies. That's pretty good as well. Trying to see if you got anything that's coming out for March, January, February, and March. Happy March 8th, with all with 8th celebration creation. But yeah, pre-post all future releases. If you're interested, go check them out. 8 Legs miniature. There's another Warhammer proxy that's really good as well. So we can actually go down and see what they're releasing. Troop of Ashes. I think this is part of their My Mini Factory stuff. For the Imperials, we just recently got the portals. So this is gonna be a good terrain pieces for like Corn Army. Blood for the Blood God, Skull for the Skull Throne, and your shoulder blades. They got a lot more stuff that's coming out. They got some Grey Knights coming out as well, and Custodes for it. Let's see here, Study Soul Union, another kind of like a figure, but I haven't seen what March is going to be out yet, but this is like the preview of it. If you're interested more like cyberpunk style, if you're interested in that. Castro 3D, another good one. We get a lot of what you call it, Baldur's Gate 3 figure for this. I don't know what this month is going to be, but I know last month was Asterion, or it was January was Asterion. Lady Lizelle was probably February. We'll probably find out more towards the end of the month for this. Common Lord miniature, another miniature. I think we're getting, this is the April one. There we go, this is the March one. So we got Eldrick style, and you can have proxy for these two for your Sisters of Battle, and so forth as well. So it's pretty cool. Treble release, and blade set, Room Blade Warlock. Logi Forge, this is terrain style. I would say February release is here. Yeah, they do a lot of buildings, and I do print a lot of buildings due to the fact that I have a campaign to run, and this is actually pretty good. They give you multiple of them and different style, and basically, you know, you can open it up however you want to do it as well. Artificer's Mini, another one. I think they're doing Monster Hunter on this one, I believe. Yeah, March previews. Yeah, Monster Hunter. So that's kind of be kind of cool to do for Monster Hunter. If you want to do Monster Hunter style campaign, here you go. If you are interested in that Hardwitch game, this is like another D&D. So we have a lot of sexy ladies, angels, corrupt the chaos beast, maidens, and fighters, and so forth. You get terrain pieces as well. Looks like it. Bahabab. This is another, what you call it? This is another figure. I'm trying to figure out if we have anything for March. These are all February. Let's see here. I did OC. Cuphead. I think this is gonna be the March one right here. See how that goes. Balsk Sar minis. There's another D&D figure, but you can find a lot of them to do. You can do Warhammer proxy, like for Corn Army or Sisters of Battle. Looks like it, and you can actually use this for your campaign or for your army release. So this is like Sisters of Battle. Well, that's actually not bad actually, because we do need a lot of Sisters of Battle stuff. And except for that one, it looks like it's Corn. Fun Service STL. This one just got released for this month for a figure, anime figure, just with Jensen Impact, and this one as well. Gauze Mini. This is another D&D figure. Let me see, March Showcase. So we have Oni and one Sisters of Battle. So that's actually pretty good to have for your campaign. So you have one proxy and you have two of them for your D&D and stuff. Labyrinth, another one I believe, D&D figure as well. So we got a dwarf with horns. And this is March preview right here. So undead, Medusa, undead pirates, and so far in the seas. We got some vampires for it. Quest Wagon. I think we're getting another Sisters of Battle for this month. I think that's supposed to be Necrons or something. I don't know for a fact, but they do a lot of Warhammer proxy as well. Either way, go check them out. Moonlight Minis. This is for this month. We got some rat folks, archers, fighters. This mostly looks like for D&D. For it that you usually get. You can also use this as a proxy for one of your other wargaming as well. See if you do like it. RN Studio. We're getting Native Americans this month. For D&D purposes or other war type game that you're interested in. And finally, Flesh of Studio. They have proxy for Night Hunt for Age of Sigmar if you're interested in that. I am be printing this for my Night Hunt army for this as well. Well, anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord. Thank you guys very much. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.